Hey everybody, I'm going to give you a quick 60-second way to change your notifications. If you're getting buried in emails or other kinds of notifications on your app from the Artist Alliance, here's what you want to do. You want to go to a desktop system, go in the upper right under your profile picture, scroll down to notifications, and here you're going to see all of the ways that you can be notified or not notified when someone posts or someone likes something, etc. So for new comments, mentions, and likes, here you have the option of turning on if you want to see all of those, or in the app, you can turn that on or you can turn it off. It's on when it's green, it's off when it's gray. I definitely want to be notified for if somebody directs messages me, and I'm going to be notified by email right here or in my app. I also want to get that Thursday digest. The digest that comes out on Thursdays is generated automatically. It doesn't come from me, and it's just sort of it's going to let you know what the most popular posts are, who the new members are, and it just comes out on Thursdays. And it's a nice digest of what's going on without being too intrusive. And then for new posts, I've selected never under all of these categories: in app, browser, and email. I don't want to be notified of every new post. You can see here, never, never, never. I've chosen because I'm almost always on the site. Now, some people like to be notified of every new post in all these different categories because that's what works better for them. But regardless, make your choices. Make sure you select save, and that's it. I hope that helps.